Finally, it came. So what is up, everyone? We're back here. So here's another product that I'll be reviewing. It's not sponsored. It's just I just bought it for myself, and let's see if it's good. Actually, I bought it from AliExpress, and it takes a couple weeks to arrive. There you go. So this is it. It's a key cover for my Ducati Multistrada B4 Rally. There you go. So it comes with this sling and tools. So to install this, look at that. Got this set up my Allen key. Probably the smallest. So the reason why I bought this is to protect my key, because I dropped this maybe more than a couple of times, and it has a small ding. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the reason why I bought this from AliExpress. It's aluminum actually, just to, because I've heard some at a group of Multistrada that sometimes they lost the back cover where the battery is. Here is the front cover, this is the back cover. If you replace the battery, all you need is to push, slide it off, then change the battery. But yeah, I don't want to lose that, and I don't want to drop it again without protection. That's why I bought this. So how? Just follow the shape. Snug fit. So what's the 3M for? I don't know, but just this, it is very snug. So maybe I have to install this side first here, because there's a kind of latch there. You guys can see this? Hope you guys can see it. That it needs to be latched in that area or in that part. This, make sure it is properly attached, then push the top part. Consider this the top part because of the logo. And what's the 3M for? Do I have to put that? I don't think so. If I install this maybe like that, that it acts like a spacer if ever this is loose. Is it gonna fit? Or maybe it's just an option. I don't know. Probably. So with the 3M in, it's not gonna fit anymore. See? So the 3M is just there. No, I don't think it needs the 3M. There, just like that. And then screw here, very, very tight, so no movement at all. It's not easy also to remove, even though without the screw. So maybe I'm just gonna add some tape here and tape here, just to protect it from this kind of, I don't know. Same here. So I got this electrical tape, put some tape here to protect it from friction of the aluminum. Same here. That's good. Then on this one first. Just like that. Make sure it's aligned. There. So there you go. The gap is slowly vanishing. Not too tight. I think that's good. Cool. So nice accessory to protect my key fob. And I like seeing the Ducati logo here. There you go. I'm gonna put the link down in my description. The price is under 22, I think, yeah, under 22 Canadian dollars. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and feel free to leave a comment. Soon I'll be right back.